it hurts. Move when your body says stop, and your mind starts making excuses. This is where you decide who owns you. You think strength feels good? No, strength burns. Every step forward rips an old version of you apart. While they rest, you rise. While they hesitate, you strive. I don't wait for confidence. I create it with action. One more, scream it. One more. This pain, this pressure, this is the sound of you becoming